Hello everyone, so we're going to change the cabin air filter on my WRX. Before you check out the rest of this video, and trust me, you really want to see how dirty that cabin air filter is, just do me a big favor and hit that subscribe button. It will really help us quite a lot. Just do it right now, just smash it here right now as we're talking. And while you're at that, also hit that notification bell because you have a ton of cool content with the Tacoma and WRX coming out and you don't want to miss that. So yeah, right now, just hit that there, smash it. You're the best. Thank you so much. So let's talk a little bit about what the cabin air filter does. The cabin air filter filters the air that comes into the cabin.
Right, obviously, obviously.
As the name says. Now what happens, air gets sucked from outside. It gets pulled into the cabin through the AC system. It goes through this filter, which filters out dust and debris and some amount of pathogens and bacteria. Then that filter then now goes into the heating matrix, or goes into the cooling system to get cool or heated as needed. And then it comes through the vents into the car. Now, OEM filters, generally filters located somewhere in this area. The WRX, it's located inside the glove box. My Tacoma is located inside the glove box. I once had a Nissan Cube, but that is actually located behind the center console here. Generally, the OEM filters are some sort of paper or fabric type filter, and you generally should replace it around every 10,000 miles. What I went with was this Canon cabin air filter. Key thing about this is that it's washable. So this is a direct replacement filter for the OEM ones. This was a little bit more expensive, being Canon. They are basically one of the best in air filtering technology for cars. And I thought it could be a good idea to get a washable one, which simply means that I don't have to spend $20 or $16 every 10,000 miles to replace it, when I could just make a one-time cost and get a washable one. Washing is actually pretty simple. You could just use simply soap and water. However, Canon has a very specific cleaning kit which you can buy, though you can just actually use soap and water. As for the WRX, like I said, the air filter is behind this glove compartment. So first thing you do, remove any things from your glove compartment. Next, there are actually two sort of like stoppers at the side here. You have to put your finger and you can actually feel them. So that's it right there, that's one. And then that's the second one right there. What you have to do is simply just squeeze on the sides, and that would dislodge them. There we go. And comes out. Right, so this is the air filter right here. So take it out, you squeeze these two tabs here, and then just pull. Oh my god, this thing is nasty AF. Oh, this is disgusting. This is really disgusting. My god.
That's just nasty.
Clearly you can see this probably has never been replaced. As you can see, that was really nasty. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna give this area in here a quick vacuum. Clean out some of that dust that's also in there and that's around this sort of area here. Next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take some Chemical Guys No Nonsense total cleaner and clean all this area here, because some of the dust is just like kind of stuck to it. So I clean out all that area, wipe off the microfiber cloth, also off the glove box as well. But whatever dust and stuff is in there, it's brand spanking new now. Just for reference, this is what the new filter looks like. This is what the old filter looks like. So you can see there is leaves, there the plant material, there is seeds, there are feathers, there might even be some dead bugs in there. Yeah, definitely there is a bug right there. My god. Oh, that is nasty. Look at that. Look at that. All that's from there. God. Can't believe I was breathing in that crap.
That sounds disgusting.
When you buy this K&N filter, it's supposed to come with a tab. Covering, a tab which is just a covering that to cover the hole in here where the air filter is supposed to go. It didn't come with any, so I thought it was just by mistake, so I returned it, ordered another one, and the other one I ordered still also didn't have that tab, that covering. So I actually decided to call K&N, and the customer service representative there told me that they're actually having a problem where some of the filters are not being sent out of the factory with the tab. So she just sent me a replacement tab in email. I got it within about 3 to 5 business days. So K&N had really good customer service to fix that issue. So just so you know, this is how the tab looks. Right, it just has the K&N logo here. It just fills up the hole where the filter is supposed to be. So that was pretty easy and simple. So thank you K&N for your good customer service. Okay, so now back to the install. Very simple. Filter, obviously take out the plastic. Take out the plastic, you'll notice that there's a tab here. This tab has to go to the bottom. Just slide this in. Easy. So that's in. Alright. Now just take your tab and push that tab in. That should be it. There you go. Filter is in. One thing I forgot to do was this sticker. This sticker basically says that this is a reusable filter for anybody who is taking care of the car. I mean, it's gonna be me, but I'm still gonna put it just in case. Let's pop this thing out. Done.